Hello all, welcome to R&D Labs with me Rohant, and today in our tutorial we'll see how to declare a variable for a specific type in Swift. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do like and subscribe the channel so that you are getting to know when our next video comes in. In my previous tutorial, I have shown you how to declare a variable in Swift which could hold a string value, a Boolean value, or an integer value. So please do check that video out, and the link to that video is there in the description box below. This video is a continuation of the previous video. In this tutorial, we will explicitly declare a variable of type string, integer, and Boolean. So how do we do it? Let's get started. So previously we have seen that we can declare a variable which could hold a string value, an integer value, a double value, a Boolean value. But if you want to explicitly declare a variable of type string, of type integer, of type double, of type Boolean, how do we do it? Actually, it is quite sufficient for Swift to know that this variable is of type string just because you have assigned a string value to it. This is called type inference. So I'll just write this keyword in the comments. So it's called type inference. So in my opinion, this is sufficient for Swift to know that employee name is holding a string value, and hence you can't assign an integer value to this in the later part of the code. So if we have to just experiment with that, let's say employee name is equal to 12. So let's build and see. Yes, it's failed. So even if you're not adding a the type to it explicitly, and later on during the later on in the code you're assigning an integer value, so the system will automatically error this particular line of code saying that you cannot assign a value of so and so type to so and so type. Okay, so this is called type inference. But if you want to explicitly declare the type, you can still do that. How? We will see just by adding a keyword of type string, give it is equal to after that, and let's say integer is equal to 2020, and I'll give this also as integer. This is double, so double, and this is Boolean. So let's just only say bool, that is the keyword for declaring Boolean, and that's it. Okay, so there are no errors, and let's run this and see. There you go. So what we have seen here is the same result is back. Okay, the only difference we have done is we have explicitly declared, or we have explicitly declared a variable with a specific type. Okay, so it is string, it is integer, it is again integer here, it's double and Boolean. Now can we set say for example b joined to true, even though it looks the same? No, we won't be able to do that. So Swift will definitely not allow you to assign a value of specific type to a specific type. So this was Boolean, and you're trying to assign a string value to it. So this will never work even though it looks the same. So this is how you explicitly declare a variable in Swift of a specific type. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and see you until next time. Cheers.